Okay, today at UPR we're going to do a UPR billet catch can on this 2016 Jeep Wrangler. It's the JK, and we have our billet catch can with diffuser here. So Randy's going to show us how to get this kit going.
Can looks like. Pop the cover off.
This particular model is the 3.6 liter V6.
We're going to need to get to this bolt. It's going to be a 13 millimeter. Let's take the bolt off. I've already loosened it. It's going to make it easier if you unplug this. There it goes. Take a little bit of slack off of here. Pull this down. Alright. There's the bracket that you're going to use. You get your can, 10 millimeter bolt. It's going to fasten from the back. All right, now your can's mounted. Start with the dirty side. Here's your actual PCV. You want to go over and show that?
Yeah. Right on top of the intake manifold.
Going from the back of the valve covers, going into the intake manifold.
Alright.
We're just going to need to take one side off. We'll push right off. You want to get this boot off as well. Our hose is going to pop right on. If it comes off with a flat head, just work your way around it and it'll pop right off. Dirty hose is going to go under here. Come with a hose end. Just push that right onto the factory hose.
So it's pulling crankcase air out of the valve cover through the factory hose to the UPR line, underneath the intake and over to the catch can over here.
All right, next we're gonna go with the clean side of the can. We're gonna have to snake it behind the engine here. All right. This side will go in the can. The quick clip connector. Plug and play. This side will also get a hose end. Go right into your intake. There you go.
Okay, so now we've got our UPR Billet catch can installed on this 3.6 liter V6. And one of the important points to mention here is that a lot of these people are using the Wranglers in off-road situations where the vehicle will see a lot of extreme angles, you know, side to side or front and back, and as the oil kind of tends to try to pull toward the back of the valve cover or different places of the engine, you can have issues where it'll actually smoke through the exhaust because of oil that's sort of pulled over to one side. So by putting this catch can kit in, one of the things that you're doing is eliminating the possibility for that oil, which pulls back on the back of the valve cover, to then try to make its way back into the intake manifold. And this is definitely something that's going to help our off-road customers, as well as the normal people just driving to work and trying to keep that air oil vapor out of the intake. It's a nice upgrade. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tech useful, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you want to see more of our tech videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, if you have a vehicle that does not have a catch can available for your application, get a hold of us and we'll see if we can do a custom setup for your car.